Hey guys, it's Karl with a K over at Long Lewis and Hoover, and I want to show you guys how to pair your phone up to a vehicle. We're in the F-150 Tremor 2025 model. So to pair your phone up, you actually would go to your settings. You would go into add a phone. You would go to your phone settings, pull it up and go to settings, and then you would go to Bluetooth. All right, turn it off, turn it on. All right, scroll down to the bottom. It's going to say look for search F-150. There it is. I'm going to click on search F-150. All right, we're going to confirm that this PIN number matches the one on the screen. It does. So I'm going to hit pair on my phone, and yes, on the screen, I'm going to allow it to download my contacts so it can make hands-free phone calls. The cool thing about this is it's actually going to ask me about Apple CarPlay, which is wireless. I am going to connect, so my phone will come up onto the screen. I'm going to finish it on the screen, enable Apple CarPlay. It's also good with Android Auto too, so either one. All right, so now it's connecting. There's my phone on the screen. This is actually my phone on the screen, and it shows everything there. Shows how much battery life I have, my connection signal strength. So now I'm ready to make phone calls from my phone. Simple to do, easy to connect. I hope you learned a little bit from this tutorial on how to quickly add your phone and connect Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Remember guys, get your keys from Karl. Come ask for Karl with a K at Long Lewis and Hoover. And I hope to see you guys soon. Have a great day.